All right, about $100 tour.
Sounds great. My name's Rob. I own Haven Homes and I've been building homes for about 25 years now. And we actually built this home for my son. And circumstances changed and he wasn't able to purchase it in the end. So we have it listed for sale. And this is it.
That doesn't have anything to do with interest rates, does it? All right.
Anyway, so we built it with him in mind and his family, and they love a nice open space with high ceilings. So we've got the nice vault in here and 9-foot plates, both upstairs and downstairs. They love that natural stone look, so we spent a few extra dollars and did a natural stone fireplace treatment. Tied in the mantle with the floors and the railing. We did do solid surface flooring through all the main living areas, which is, much nicer look. You can use rugs in that to accent and as your coloring. And then we also upgraded the carpet in the bedroom, so there's a very nice piece of carpet there. The cabinets are all custom, S&J cabinets. It's the manufacturer there. And
I noticed they have the slow close hinge on all of them.
yes, and the soft close drawers and all that. The built-in ovens and the gas cooktop. A very nice quality, quiet dishwasher makes up the appliance package. With the natural stone countertop with the tile backsplash.
It goes clear to the ceiling on that part, doesn't it?
Yeah, many of my clients enjoy having the cabinets go all the way to the ceiling so they don't have that dusty spot on top they ever have to clean, plus the additional storage space. It does have a nice sized pantry with plenty of shelving and storage area.
I noticed you have what we as real estate agents refer to as toe drawers, because you can pull them out with your toes.
Right, yes, the rollouts.
With also the slow close hinges on those.
Yes, we do. It has a 3-car garage. The half bath off the garage there.
Now, did you put water inside the garage to be able to wash cars in the garage?
Yes, there is a hose bib in the garage.
I didn't see it out there. Did you?
It's on the right hand side as you go out.
Okay, all right.
We did Trex style steps and finished those out nicely so you can have nice access into the house.
Good. Okay. Good.
We have 3 bedrooms on the main floor. The grand master with the freestanding tub and tile shower with the Euro glass door. Some of the things that we upgraded the windows, top of the line.
This is, of course, your main floor, what could be an office.
Yeah.
Nice wainscot on that. Now, is this a normal floor plan that you do for anybody, or was this just made for your son?
My son picked it out for his family, so it's good for their needs. It's a popular layout with the 3 bedrooms on one end and the laundry at the end of the hall.
Okay. Have you built any others like this one in the area?
Not this particular model, no, I haven't.
Okay. Do you just pretty much spot build these types of homes wherever somebody has a lot that they want to build on?
Yeah, the majority of my work is custom work. And,
Okay.
this is the master.
Now, are you charging anything extra just because somebody can watch the football game without buying a ticket?
That's a great point. We should do that.
And of course, this is the master bath. Yeah. What are some nice features that you've liked about the master bath in this one?
I think the beautiful freestanding tub is, adds quite a bit of character, and the custom tile work as well gives it that extra special feel.
Okay.
Lots of drawers and that on the vanity.
And you got a nice closet for her. Where's he gonna put his clothes?
It's got the organizer, and yeah.
Now I noticed in the half bath just off the kitchen, it has a slow close toilet lid,
Yes.
but there's not on any of the others. Is there any reason for not doing those, or what was your thinking that way?
I think that was a plumber's choice.
Oh, was it? Okay. So sometimes that's not something that you make the decision on, but the
I did not,
plumber?
I did not specifically ask him for one or the other, and it looks like we got a little bit of each on that.
Okay. I noticed I did some tours on some $4 million homes up in Heber yesterday, and that was one of the comments I made to the builder. I just lifted the lid and dropped it, and I said, you would think that's something that you wouldn't have in a $1 million home type of thing, so.
My son's thought on building this home this way was to provide some extra income with the basement rental.
Yeah.
So we've done that.
Anything special about the utility room here?
Yes, we have the dual water heaters, a separate electrical panel for the basement apartment, and there's another furnace in the laundry area that serves the basement, and this one serves the upstairs.
Oh.
So that the thought behind that is to maximize the comfort on each level.
Okay. And I can cut and paste anything in this that we want to cut out, like going through this type of thing. But all right, so this is the downstairs apartment with its separate entrance.
Yes, we had the same style custom cabinets down here. Got the pantry style cabinet there on the end for extra food storage. Same soft close hinges, and it does have the Lazy Susan in the corner.
Okay. What do you anticipate getting as a rent in this type of a unit?
I think, with the size and the quality of the finish, $2,500 would be a reasonable amount for this basement.
Okay, and this is a 3-bedroom.
3-bedroom, 2-bath.
2-bath.
It's got a laundry.
I noticed that one of the bathrooms is a Jack and Jill.
Yes.
So good.
The laundry is separate downstairs as well. We do have some nice storage under the stairs here, and also a nice size cold storage off the basement laundry. The basement laundry is actually a little bit bigger than the upstairs for additional storage, or maybe a craft room, or it could be several functions.
Yeah, this is a good sized laundry. And then you got a cold storage or a padded room for kids that that are disobedient or something.
That's right, yes.
I noticed down here, this one has also a sump pump, and that's unusual and sometimes in these types of homes. What can you tell us about that?
The sewage system in the street was fairly shallow in this area, so we didn't want to set the house up too high, so we added this pump that services the basement plumbing. Anything that drains in the basement would go into this pump, and then it would be lifted high, and then it will be gravity fed out to the street. So
Good. Okay.
it's a zero maintenance.
Or you could also set this up for a Fort Knox
You could put a
safe door in here. Fort Knox is a local company. I bought my Fort Knox gun safe from Fort Knox down on Geneva, just off Geneva Road. It used to be anyway. So
Yeah. So this is the first bedroom. Intended to be a kid bedroom.
organizers and everything in it.
Walk-in closets in all the basement bedrooms, yeah.
Yep.
And this is the Jack and Jill bath that you mentioned.
Yep.
It does have the pocket door.
Oh yeah. Good. And another good sized closet.
Yep. One of the things that setting that house up a little bit high allowed us was was some nice daylight in the basement windows.
Yep. And another good-sized walk-in closet with organizers.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Now the downstairs people probably won't be able to see the football game from down here, but
Might be able to let them upstairs for that.
a lot more light down here, no question.
The whole bath has the dual sinks and also custom tile like everything else. It does have the quartz countertops and nice framed mirrors.
Okay.
Gives it a little extra touch.
Yeah. All right, and then we'll just kind of go into a couple of questions about this for sale by owner concept.
Sure.
I noticed that you're selling by owner. Give me a little bit of a rundown. Give me 2 or 3 reasons as to why you would want to do for sale by owner.
Well, for me, the obvious answer is the cost savings.
Yep. Real estate fees, sure.
I value realtors and understand their what they add to the process and appreciate their input and the work they do. It's a difficult job and there's a lot that goes into it that most people don't recognize.
And there's not a shortage of real estate agents right now, is there?
There's no shortage.
Okay.
I've been doing this for a number of years, and each of my personal homes I've been able to sell by owner. I think, because for one, I keep my homes very nice, and I also, I think the quality speaks for itself in this home, and that's really what sells the product is the house. Obviously, it has to be priced right, and
So it's not your first rodeo.
not my first rodeo. So I've done
Good.
this a number of times, and
Good.
so I felt comfortable, feel comfortable with the contract process and what it takes to close the deal, and working with title companies and all those things that are strange topics to, or not strange, but foreign topics to a lot of people. So
Right. So you have the purchase contract and the ability to fill it out and help somebody walk through that process.
I do.
So good.
Yeah.
Excellent.
The other thing is the personal attention I give it. I do open houses frequently, which allows me, to mingle with the people that are interested in the property and respond to their feedback and ask questions so I think that personal touch also adds a little bit of an advantage to me, I guess, because I know the house inside and out, built it, so those are some of the reasons that that we did it. And as a builder, also it gives me a chance to meet people. I've met a number of people that are interested in building a home, and so it gives me some extra exposure as a builder.
If not this one, you got at some other projects, you could take them on tour, show them what you could do.
Right. Yeah.
Good.
And I may have at least 2 build jobs out of this.
There you go.
Sitting here doing open houses, so it's
That makes sense.
yeah.
Do you have some other ones going currently at all?
I do have a couple of other projects going.
Good.
And preparing for some out-of-state work in the summer. So
Good.
yeah.
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Nope. Thank you for your time and posting this house on your channel. This is
Great.
great exposure for me. Thank you.
Thank you.